Hi and welcome everyone here to Valencia, Spain. We are BMW Sail Racing Academy coaches, and today we're here to explain you a little bit the format and the boats that we're sailing on. My name is Paul.
And my name is Max. In this year's version of the BMW Sail Racing Academy, we use Tom 28 match racing boats. So we start in the back of the boat, which is the rudder. It's used to maneuver the boat over the course. Then we have another very important tool, which is the main sheet. It controls the main sail of the boat. Then we have the backstay. The control is used to bend the mast and set up the boat for the wind strength. And then we also have here the traveler, which moves the main sheet car to the right and to the left.
A very important thing that you can't see is under the boat in the water, which is the keel, which stops the boats from capsizing, so it can't tip over. Like almost every other sailboat, the Tom 28 also has a mast, which is held up by lots of wires. This and this, we call them the shrouds, and the forestay, so that the mast doesn't fall. Just like an airplane wing, you can change the shape of the sail so that it gives you different forces and makes the boat go higher or lower to the wind, or faster or slower.
So that's basically it for the essential parts of the boat. And in the next episode we will tell you something about the sails.